My name's Nick, welcome to Patrick Volvo. And today I'm going to take you through one of our customers' first service on their brand new 26 Volvo XC40. So what we do is on the first service is basic simple oil change, which is key. Very important to get your oil changes done. And Volvo does recommend on the newer models every 10,000 miles once a year. And with that service too, we also check the vehicle out, check the brakes, tires, etc. And of course we use our special tools, hammer, best tool ever. All right, well, let's get started. We're gonna check the tire tread depth, and we got a special measuring tool here that lets us know. And as you can see, 830 seconds, that's well above the minimum of 430 seconds, so the tires are in good condition. And then we'll move on. We're gonna check our brakes. And a lot of times we don't need to pull the wheels. Sometimes we can actually look through the wheel here, and we can see our brake pads. And then you can see the green measuring tool there, which means that the brakes are in good condition. So if we want to get more in depth, then we always take the wheels off. But since it's a new vehicle and it's got special mag wheels, we can get our tool in there. While we're doing the oil change, we also do replace the filter. So we got our oil filter housing here that has an insert, and that is always replaced with every oil change. And that's why they call it an oil and filter change. And as you can see here, there's a filter inside that gets changed along with a new seal. And once you get that old oil filter out and that old oil seal, like I said, got some good quality Volvo parts, which is key since the manufacturer is giving you their first service. They definitely make their parts last and worth it. So once we do that, we lube up those brand new seals with that new oil filter, and then it gets installed. Everything gets sealed back up, oil gets filled, and then your vehicle will be back on the road in no time. And once we're done with that, we always make sure the oil residue is cleaned off, so that way it doesn't look like there's any false leaks. One thing that a lot of people don't realize and do take for granted is tire pressure. Tire pressure is very important because if you don't have the correct tire pressure, the tires do wear a little unevenly, whether they're overinflated or underinflated. And also keeping your tire pressure to the manufacturer's specification will definitely help with fuel economy and tire wear. And also key, every 10,000 miles we do recommend here at Patrick Volvo a tire rotation and a four-wheel alignment, and that will help extend tire life, keep the vehicle tracking straight, and it'll give you better handling and control. Because tires are expensive, so you definitely want to get the most out of them. And these tires are a little low, so we're going to fill them up to the manufacturer's 33 PSI. And once we set the tire pressure, we also do reset the tire pressure system in the vehicle, so that way it can recalibrate and you don't get a false warning for a low tire pressure. With the oil and filter change, we definitely get fresh oil in that engine, so that way the engine could start back up with a fresh new feeling. And it's very important to get those oil changes, because those oil changes, they do keep the vehicle engine running and lubricated properly, so that way you get some good performance and you get less wear and tear. This engine takes 6.6 quarts of oil, and it's a 0W20 synthetic oil too, so it's always key to make sure you put the manufacturer recommended oil in the vehicle. All right, well, that's the end of our first vehicle service. Thanks for hanging out with me today. Hopefully I taught you something and you learned something. So don't forget, give us a like, comment, and subscribe, and come back and visit us anytime. We're always here for you.